Hello everyone, welcome back. We're just taking the door off now. Everything's in place with screws. And we're taking it off so we can get to spot welds on that piece there.
Got this piece here set in.
Yeah, that piece we got set in
Got
the other day.
The doorpost piece in.
Yeah, it's looking good.
Just screwed in, ready to be spot welded.
Yeah. So we're gonna take the door off now. We had a video of us putting the door on, so we'll set this down.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Clean up this dirt head. Okay. Now, if you want to take the camera.
Alright.
Keep these batteries out of the heat. Oh, it's not good for them to be in the sun.
No.
Okay. Did we have a pencil? Or a pen, yeah. Right here.
Yeah, we had a marker.
Grab me the hammer there. Did we get a flat screwdriver?
Yeah.
We're just going to stretch in the middle there a little.
Yeah.
Just hope that never moved. It's getting like really strong. Okay, sorry to say, but I think we have to stick that door on again for a second.
Alright.
I don't want to, but we'll be trying if we don't. In case we just throw it out a little.
Oh, yeah. Should I record this one or?
Yep. We do not want that to, just what I was doing. We just do not want that to move.
Yeah.
This is basing on everything for alignment. Okay, where are you?
I can't get behind you.
What? Jeez, that went fast.
Yeah. Sounds like it wasn't tripped this time.
What?
Sounds like it wasn't tripped this time.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. The door latch was playing tricks.
Yeah.
How is she in place there? Can you lift up and that in on your door handle? Yep. Okay. What's your situation?
Just kind of trying to keep
It
it
kind of
level.
looks good, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, you just hold it like that. There you go. Okay, what's this look like? Still looks good. Never moved. Yeah, never moved, Stuart.
No.
Right on. Right on. Okay. Hold on to it till you're back out.
Alright.
We're getting professionals pulling this off, eh?
Yeah. He's doing with our eyes closed. Ready?
Yep. It's getting late. Okay, you grab the camera. We got all those punched in. These were just spot welded from factory right here. Just 2 spot welds here.
Yeah.
You can see it on the old piece. Okay. stress on that. Okay, so we'll take that. We'll just take it to the garage where the air hose is. Instead of running the air hose out.
Alright, got the air hose.
Right in that seam. I didn't use center.
Yeah.
Okay. And we'll put one in here. You think we got her up?
I think so.
Yeah.
Are we putting any in the inner?
What?
Right here?
No, it was just, the factory was just 2 right there.
Okay.
And we got extra ones here from the factory. Okay, I'm going to go a couple of holes here. This will be undercoats from the inside. We're going to spray it in behind that metal too.
Yeah.
Plus, we'll do the weld through primer. We'll spray it on. We're just going to do some little holes here. So when we undercoat, we put the stuff that creeps. I'm going to put a hole in that side too, I guess. Looks like a galvanized, eh?
Yeah.
This will make your welding splatter a little, but there's still oil going to be run down, rustic, run down in through the cracks when it's done. Because some of this does burn away with the heat, eh?
Yeah.
Goodness, must be 27 degrees here.
I'd say.
Okay, oh, better toe this in the edge here. Down tight.